Alright, we're recording the sewer line here from the 1920 East Blaine clean out here, 8-inch clean out on the side of the house. Recording this, let's see, we're July 1st, 2020. I am at the city main here, about 82 feet out. I'm going to zero the footage out coming back, and we will get a look at this 8-inch concrete line. So, small section of clay at the tap, the city tap there, and coming back, we're an 8-inch concrete pipe. And this line serves 4 houses. So this is after the 4th and final house ties in. Old 8-inch pipe. There's a seam about every 3 feet. There is a seam there. Another one there. Got a tie into the pipe there on the left side of the pipe, so possibly, but that's the other, doesn't the side of the house wrap around?
So that probably is going to be their driveway drain.
Okay.
If not on other sewage connections.
Got quite a bit of debris along the bottom side of the pipe there.
How far out are we here?
I'm coming back from 80 some, so probably 25, 30 feet out there. Try to clear this screen off a bit. Coming up from the break behind us. Yeah, there's quite a bit of debris in the line, so we'd want to get it all jetted out and cleaned. This debris could be feeding from the break back upstream of us here. But footage-wise, we can at least get the footage if we were to install the liner here. Back into plastic there. So we're at about 68 feet of liner. That needs to be jetted out before we can get a good condition look at it. End of the video.